No left yet.
Malachi, Premier League, eh?
Oh, what a wonderful feeling.
Yeah. So how do you think about your personal performance before we get into anything else? What do you think about your personal performance?
Honestly, I think I was a bit rusty because, I haven't played in a while. Yeah, missed last match actually. Yeah, I took a little bit of time to get in the game. But I think I did fair, but I know I can do away with it.
Alright. How do you think about team performance? 2-0 down early. Nervous times, eh? What do you think about that?
I think we started out a bit shaky, or actually very shaky actually. But by the time goes by, we'll actually pick up and start flowing as one. But I think we could we could have done a lot better because we normally play, the tick-tack football. It wasn't there in the first half, but I think we'll pick it up quite well, coming down from a 2-0, coming from under 2-0,
I think on the 45 minutes, you're the one who break the deadlock in regards to 2-2. I think you went 3-2 up at the 45 minutes. How was that feeling going to halftime at the break, scoring the goal, feeling like the big man? What was that like?
That's a feeling like I don't even know to explain that honestly, because that's just joy for me.
Yeah.
No one our side have ever actually been to the Premier League. So for me personally to score that goal to give us the lead, that was a wonderful feeling.
Yeah. And congratulations, man, and welcome to the Premier League.
Big leagues.
All right.